Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So summer is almost here, and there's something about the change of season that stirs up that need to reset, not just our homes, but our habits and also our mindset. So summer invites us to open up the windows, to breathe more deeply, and to embrace that slower, simpler pace. So as a minimalist grandmother, I've discovered a few timeless habits that help keep your home lighter, calmer, and more joyful, especially during the busy season. And it's not just for grandmas, it's also for busy families and new moms, new dads. These gentle shifts work for anyone who's craving space to breathe and also room to enjoy the season ahead. So if your home is feeling a little bit heavy lately, here are a few tips that will help you make it feel a little bit lighter and brighter. The first one is to clear your drop zones daily. We all have those drop zones where everything seems to land, whether it's a kitchen counter, kitchen table. And summer comes with all kinds of things, the hats, the sunscreens, the sandals, the bags, lots of those things. And if you just take 1 minute every day to reset the most used surfaces in your home, then clutter won't have a tendency to build up. The second one is to store seasonally, not sentimentally. So if it doesn't belong to this season, pack it up and let it go. Summer deserves space of its own. Don't let winter's weight take up your mental and physical energy. And then the last one is to create calm with less. So your home doesn't need to be Pinterest perfect. So just take it easy, enjoy the season, and keep your home decluttered. Thanks.